I feel myself. 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 Ow. Guys, just beat myself.
She said, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. Pretty dove, I even got it tatted on me. 81 to bring the crasher to the party. And you know me. Turn the
Guys, I'm going to be doing a natural aloe vera face mask and hair mask. The hair mask, I'm just going to be using aloe vera and I don't have cinnamon, but I'll just use aloe vera and pure honey. Then for my hair, I'm going to be using this aloe vera and shea butter and coconut oil, so stay tuned. First, you want to cut off this upper part so you could scoop. I think I'm wasting this stuff. So you scoop out the aloe vera with, I'm closer so you can see. You scoop it out with a spoon, that's what I do. Awesome. Yeah. I don't think now you've been set up. Careful. What am I thinking? Why did this song just appear? Just okay. So I'm just gonna be cutting this so it's easier for me to scoop out. I hate stress. There's too much stress in my life now. So guys, this is my coconut oil. I still have some here, and this is my pure honey. I should skim out. And this is my aloe vera. Now I'm going to be mixing it. I'm going to be dividing the one I'm using for my face. Okay, and not much for my face, just across soup. Okay, would that be enough for my face? I think so. This for my face, this for my hair. I'll be doing that of my face first. So I'm going to be taking 2 of these spoons. Oh. 2 teaspoons actually. Oh, 1.5. I don't like it when the honey is too much. It makes my face over glowy. Like honey makes my face so glowy. Next, my hair mixture. So this is my natural shea butter. I'll be scooping 1 spoon of this. Actually, I had this instinct to melt my shea butter oil, but what's the point? I'll just leave it like this. I'll just go on like this. But it's usually better if you melt it. Like if you're not as lazy as I am, it's better you melt it. Yeah, I took 1.5 spoon of that. Then I'll be using this coconut oil a little, like, okay, 1 teaspoon. Then this one, I showed you guys already. another teaspoon. You see how white this is? This is just 100% coconut oil. Like it even smells coconut. Yeah. And I'm just out of oil, guys. Like normally I had this jojoba um castor oil and almond oil, so that's those three. I mix them all the time with my stuff. And this is my argan oil. It's already finished. Oh, coronavirus, the shit is real. Then yeah, that's it. Then I'm going to add, I'm doing this concoction, guys. I have never done this before. Normally it's either I just use aloe vera and this mixture, or I just use my egg yellow and the oils. But now I'm going to be adding egg yellow to this mixture, so just watch me. Let's see what it's going to be. Let's see what it's going to turn out to. So this is my egg. I'm just going to be bringing out only the egg yellow. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. It's been a while I did this egg marks actually. Okay, let's try our best to bring out only the egg yellow. Okay, this is how I usually do it. Oh. Okay, again. Okay, so you guys can see how I do it. So at this point we have only the egg yellow. Only the egg yellow. Okay, look at this, guys. That wasn't easy. Okay, someone's still stuck here. I'm going to be mixing it with this electric mixer. That's a mixer. Yeah. First, I'm going to remix the one for my face because I don't think this aloe vera dissolved. This is now for the hair. Let's do this. That'll be all. This is for my face, honey and aloe vera, and this is honey, shea butter, argan oil and coconut oil. Yep. I like to look green. Okay. Green like a green, like a green, like a green. Green like a green, 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 green. So that's it. guys, this is my hair just right after washing up the mask. I didn't use shampoo because shampoo can actually, I don't know how to put it, like spoil what you've just done, like make it reduce the effect of whatever job the mask was supposed to do. Yeah, so no damage. I thought my hair was gonna cut off, like seriously, I was thinking my hair was gonna cut, like break. Well, there's no harm in trial. Like, Rona got you trying new stuffs. So this is the result. I'm just gonna weave my hair. Hope you can see it clearly. I don't know if it's showing. Yeah, my hair actually looks shorter when it's wet. So there you go, the skies. Oh, I love the skies. It's so tiny and beautiful. I like it. Yeah, this is the length of my hair, guys. So yeah, because it's wet it looks so small, but this is the real length of my hair. Now let me leave it. Oops. I was thinking, look. You see, guys, so when it's wet it gets so coily and small. Yeah, so guys, this is the end of this video. As you can see, I oiled my hair and I tied it into a knot. I didn't weave it. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe and share to friends. Don't share this knowledge alone, make sure to share to friends so they can get the knowledge too. And if you want me to do any other kind of videos, comment down in the comment section below. Yeah, maybe natural stuff, skin, hair, and the rest of them. So yeah, love you all. Bye. Mwah.